Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9X Lite, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which for me is right in this folder called Tools, right over here. And once you open up your contacts, as you can see, we are already looking at some contacts right here, but as you can see, they all have this SIM card icon next to them, so meaning that once I remove the SIM card, they will disappear. So to actually import them to your device, I can tap on the three dots right here, navigate to settings, and then select import export. Gonna import from SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts on the SIM card. Now you can quickly select all of them by tapping right at the bottom right here. And if you don't want all of the contacts, but as an example, majority of them, you can deselect the contacts that you don't want. From there, choose import, and select phone, and there we go. Those contacts now have been imported, and you should be able to see them right here. As you can see, now we have duplicates basically, because one is on the SIM card and one is on the phone. But when you remove a card, as you can see, the ones that are on the SIM card disappear. So you're only left with the ones that are on the phone. So anyway, this is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.